I just purchased this property at foreclosure, sight unseen. I'm interested to see when I get on the inside just how bad the damage is from this roof leaking. Oh my goodness. It looks like that this section right here is gone. That does not look good. Looks like there's a hole in the roof. You can see it from this side. That's nasty. That toilet, well, obviously not cleaned in some time. The worst. The absolute worst, I'd say. And this is a closet. I was not expecting this. That's something that we'll look at possibly changing here. This home here, I'm gonna say it goes into the full reno category. I hope to have this home back on the market in 120 days. I'm back with the finished product 150 days later. Windows check, HVAC check, roof check, flooring check, painting check. I went through and completely remodeled this home. And what I'm proud of is, for the most part, it was smooth selling. A lot of my flips recently have not been smooth selling, but this one was. Come on. Not too good. Originally, this one had mold on the inside. The subroof was rotten. We had to come in and do a lot, but it was what I thought. When I say smooth selling, that's what I mean. It was what I thought. We came in, we repaired what I saw, and we got it back the way it should be. Y'all come on, I'm gonna do two things today. I'm gonna show you the bathroom. Do you remember the bathroom? I was back and forth. This was originally a 3-bed, 1-bath. I'm gonna show you exactly how I turned a 1-bathroom to a 1.5 bath, and I want y'all's thoughts when you see it. Number two, I'm gonna go over the budget and price. I'm gonna tell you at the end of the day exactly what I paid for this property and then exactly what I put in it. But y'all come on, we're gonna start on the outside first. So as I mentioned, new roof, new fascia and soffit paint all the way around, new windows, new shutters. This home was remodeled from the inside out. Come on, let's look around the outside. New windows all the way around, new door back here, and then under this carport, we were able to come in, repair all of this wood rot and make it back the way it should be. And as I mentioned, it was about what I thought, wasn't too bad. Now, come on, let's take a look at the inside of the home now. All right, come on in, come on in. So originally I purchased this home sight unseen. I didn't know exactly what I was getting into. I did come up here, I peeked through the window, I knew right off this one was pretty bad. It needed a roof and it had some mold in it. Take a look at this living area here. So I ended up going through with all new linoleum flooring on this one, fresh paint all the way through. Something I did to highlight this living area, as usual, I came with 4 new canvas lights in the ceiling. But right here, entering into the kitchen, I want to show y'all there was a big hole right up here. Great big hole. That roof previously had been leaking a lot. It had leaked so much that it had caught a good bit of mold issues. But we got rid of all that. We installed all new subroof, we installed a new roof, and then we hung new drywall for the most part all the way through the home. Now, this kitchen right here, I want to show it to y'all. So we pretty much went back exactly how it was, all new cabinets throughout, new countertops, and my project manager specifically likes farmhouse sinks. So that's what we went with right here. All new stainless steel appliances. Now, y'all come on, let's look back here. I'm going to show you how we converted a 1-bathroom to a 1.5 bath. Bedroom here, as usual, carpet in the bedrooms. Second bedroom, new carpet throughout, fresh paint. This is a full bath here, new vanity, new toilet, fresh coat of epoxy on the tub. It was not too bad. And then for the master, I'm going to show you exactly what we did right here. I like to highlight the master sometimes. So what I did by doing that is I came in with 4 new LED canvas lights to really illuminate this area. This was one of the worst points right up here when I first came in. This had leaked a lot, so that subroof had gotten rotten, water had found its way through, and it had just leaked here over some amount of time, and it had created a lot of mold up here. But we were able to get rid of all that, and as I mentioned, it wasn't worse than I thought. So I'm happy with that, because a lot of times when I purchase these houses, what I see on the surface is not what it is. Sometimes I get into them and I have way more work than I thought. Then right here in the master, now half bath, we ended up coming in and putting a closet right here. Before, this was a big walk-in closet. We were able to bring a closet into the end, come in with new plumbing, drop a toilet right here, and then a sink. But I want to know what y'all's thoughts are on that. This was a hard decision. I almost left this closet because there's not currently a closet for this master bedroom right here. But let me know what y'all's thoughts are. I want to know what y'all think about that. Do you think I should have left this closet the way it was for this bedroom? Or would you guys have rather had a half bath here with a half closet right here? I personally think it might sell a little better having a half bath, but I don't know. We'll see what happens when the sale happens. Final thoughts on this one, smooth selling. It could have been a lot worse, but it was about what I thought. Timeline, 150 days. Where did I want to be? About 120, 30 days over, not too bad. The numbers on this one, purchase price, $41,000. Reno budget, 49. Where did I come in? 53,000. 4,000 over, not too bad. I usually like to stay within 5 to 10% of what we had budgeted. Projected sale price on this one, conservative, 110, 120. Hopeful sale price, 130. You can do the math on the profit. We'll see what happens. I'm proud of my team for this one. I'm proud of how this one turned out. It could have been a lot tougher flip than it was, but it was about what I thought. We were able to come in, put a new roof on it, fix the subroof, go through, make the whole house brand new. I'll have this one on the market soon and hopefully have a decent sale price. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Y'all tell your friends. I enjoy doing this. I'll see y'all soon on the next one.